Welcome to Left-Handed Lock Sport. I'm the EJM3, and this is the Lockpicking Advent Calendar, Day 16. We have pinned up one at a time every single chamber with a standard, switch all the standards with spools, and now we're working on serrateds. We are picking a progressively harder lock each day of the month of March to promote lock sport, grow the community, and have fun while we're doing it. So these were all of our standards, and then these are 4 of the spools, just leaving 2 more serrateds to be thrown in to chambers 3 and 4 of this lock here. So I'm going to get this put into a vise so we can pick it, gut it, and figure out which one of those 2 are going in this thing for tomorrow. So I'll be right back. Alright, so we got this all pinned up in the vise. I'm just going to go straight down into the back. I just touched 6 and I got a little bit of movement and clicks off of 6. 5. Got a couple of tiny clicks off 5. 4 is freely moving. 3 and 2 are all freely moving. And so is 1. So it's either 5 or 6 that needs to be set. A little bit more. And I think we just got it. That was 6 that gave us a ton of clicks. Now 2's giving us the clicks we want. And 1. So now we just hit our false set. So we should be on the spools now. So let's see what we can get off of 3. We got a click and a turn of the core. Moving on to 4. We got a counter rotation off of 4. I got a click, but we didn't go back down into our false set. Which means generally that something else had fallen. And I think it might be 2. I just got a tiny click off 2. And there we go. Nice. All right. So 4 serrateds, 2 spools. We got the open. I'm going to gut this thing so we can take a look. 1, 2, 5, and 6 should be serrated. The other 2 are spools. And then we are looking to put in another serrated in either 3 or 4 for tomorrow. So be right back. So there we go with our 6 key pins, all sitting nicely in there. Now we're going to gut this thing. So let's get our pinning mat all ready to go. And just going to fly through this. 1 is a serrated. 2 is a serrated. 3 is a spool. 4 is a spool. 5 is a serrated. And 6 is a serrated. So this is what they all look like. So for the first time ever, I do not have my random number generator on my wrist. So I wrote this simple code. importing the random module and randint, which just basically means it's a random integer. And we're going to print a random integer between 3 and 4. And that will be the chamber that we pin up tomorrow with the serrated. So once I hit play, we're going to do 4. Okay, so tomorrow 3 is the only one that's going to be left in this thing that is not pinned up with a serrated and is going to have a spool instead. If you like this video, like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. And until tomorrow, peace.